Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade and fresh thin pizza bases. I know many people like to have thin pizzas, so why not just make it at home? And anyway, freshly baked pizza bases are always the best. So I'm going to start by making the dough. I have 350 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm adding 150 grams of whole wheat flour. Now make a well in the center. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and add half cup of yogurt on the baking powder. Let it set for 2 minutes. Once the yogurt starts bubbling, add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now combine all the ingredients. I'm going to gradually add the milk just as required. The dough is now sticky. I'm going to bring it down on a worktop. Add a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to continue kneading it for another 2 minutes. My dough is now moist and it's holding up really well. I'm going to grease the bowl with some oil. Place the dough in the bowl and now cover it with a tea towel and allow it to rest for about 2 hours. So my dough has now doubled in size. I'm going to remove it on a board. I'm going to make 10 equal parts. Now fold the dough in and make dough balls. Now I'm going to roll out the dough balls as thin as I can. Prick it with a fork and place it on a baking tray. Now bake the rolled dough in a preheated oven at 200 degrees until the dough has slightly puffed up. My bases are now baked. Remove them on a wire rack and allow to cool. Enjoy pizzas at home with these freshly baked thin bases or pack them in an aluminium foil once cooled and store them in the freezer for up to a month. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.